That's me. Prickly and a bit smelly. There are worse things you could be, like late and hungry. Huh? I hate being late and hungry. I hate being hungry more.
Breakfast hustling. Hungry.
Duckling! Playtime! In a hurry!
Okay, Cecil, no!
Happy! Your beautiful flower! I'm so sorry. Huh? What? Huh?
Happy! Wait!
Can't. In a hurry. Need to get to Duckling.
Duckling?
Something must be wrong.
With Duckling!
Happy did not look
Happy!
Beep, beep, beep.
Duckling! Sorry I'm late. Over. Slept. Huh?
Bappy, bappity, bap.
Let's have a little sit, Duckling. Huh? What's that grumbly sound? Huh?
It's coming from you.
That doesn't sound good.